Welcome to my first month update of my 12-week year. So in case you haven't seen my last video, I started planning my 12-week year in August. I'm going to link it up here so you can check it out if you're interested. And yeah, let's jump right into the update. To be quite honest with you, August wasn't going as planned. I kind of failed with my goals, or well, I have 3 months to complete them, so I didn't fail them yet, but I failed kind of with my action items, to be quite honest. So it really wasn't an ideal month. It was very busy in my personal and work life, and the last week I got sick, so I kind of abandoned the whole habit tracker and everything in itself, because yeah, I basically didn't do anything. So we are starting a new month. Let's jump right in, and I will give you a quick recap of my goals and plan September 2025 with me. Also, if you haven't seen my last video, I started on September 1st the 75 medium challenge. So it's a toned down version of 75 hard, because I wasn't looking for a mental toughness challenge. I just wanted to start healthy habits again. Just quickly, in case you're interested, my rules for the 75 hard are as following. I'm just gonna put them up here so you can read it. That of course affects my habit tracking and my goals that I already have in my Notion. And this challenge is going to help me achieve my goals. Before I ramble on, I'm going to show you on my computer. Okay. So you should see my screen now. A quick reminder, I filled out the vision part, but I'm not going to show this to you because it has some personal stuff in it. And then the 12-week goals. So a quick reminder of my goals for these 3 months, the 2 remaining. To reach 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So in case you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Also, if this is the first video you're watching, you can have this template for free. I'm gonna link it down below. And my second goal was physical health, and goal number 3 was 3 non-fiction books. I completed 1. I completed Selling by Serhant by Ryan Serhant, which is a good book if you're in sales, especially real estate. If you are not interested in real estate at all, like not even in his stories, then I wouldn't recommend the book. He's a famous realtor in New York that started the whole filming apartment and houses tour on YouTube, I believe. He was on $1 Million Listing as well. So yeah, this is the book I'm currently reading, The 4,000 Weeks. No review yet, because I haven't read that much, to be quite honest. So let's jump right in planning September. So for my YouTube goal, I'm going to have the goal of upload 1 YouTube video per week. I had this goal in September as well, and I didn't stick to it because I had 2 weeks where I didn't upload anything. I did film something for both weeks, but I don't know, I had so many technical difficulties with this video, then it didn't feel right, and then I got sick and everything, so I just didn't want to upload them. And on Monday I uploaded my prep vlog for the 75 medium challenge, so technically I've already achieved this goal. I also plan on uploading this video, what I'm filming right now, this week, so I have 2 videos this week. So let's change it to upload 2 YouTube videos. And part of my 75 medium challenge is to post a daily TikTok about it. So post daily on TikTok. I also have this in my tracker because I already started to fill this out. Another goal for this week is finish my content calendar for September. Then I can just copy it, upload 1 video and post daily on TikTok. And also for week 2 I want to update some thumbnails. Update thumbnails. And for my goal 2, which is physical health, I'm planning on doing 5 workouts per week, because this is my goal of the 75 medium challenge. Then we of course have to meal plan and prep. And for this week I have to choose my workout program. I'm planning on doing a program in the Center app. I already did a program a couple of years back, and I decided to do another program for this challenge because then I don't have to think about which kind of workouts I want to do, and it reduces decision fatigue. So choose Center program. and the 5 workouts as well as meal plan and prep can be repeated for the weeks. And my goal number 3 is just read 10 pages of my non-fiction book daily. This is also a goal I have in my 75 medium challenge, so that works out perfectly. Then we move on to the daily tracker for week 1. I basically copied my tasks from the previous month, as well as I added the post daily TikTok because it's from my 75 medium challenge. I updated my steps from 7,000 steps to 8 to 10,000 steps, and added the gratitude journal because this is also my 75 medium challenge. As you can see, it's Wednesday today and I've completed everything on Monday and Tuesday. Monday I did a 40-minute cardio workout, and yesterday I did a 30-minute HIIT workout, and I'm going to do my workout after this video. Need to think if I can think of anything else, any action steps I need to take. Yeah, in week 4 for YouTube, I want to track my analytics. Alright. Looks like we really are done already. This was a nice and quick update. So as I already mentioned, you can get your template in the description down below. If you want to start your 12-week year, you can start with September. It's the great lock-in everyone is talking about, so this template would be perfect for that. And let me know your goals for the month down in the comments below so we can cheer each other on and support each other. And check out my TikTok if you're interested in the 75 medium challenge, how I'm doing, what I'm eating, what my workouts look like. Thank you for watching this update, and I will see you in my next video, which will be the weekly vlog of the 75 medium challenge, because I'm also doing a vlog, kind of weekly recap on this channel, as well as the daily posts on TikTok. See you in my next one.